Alright, it's Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. We're on this Dometic refrigerator. I'm trying to keep my videos shorter. I'm going to show you where I put the thermoplastic camera around. I put it in there. I had to fill that with a big hole back here. This unit came kind of really ill prepared. Alright, so I wiped all this down, cleaned it up with rubbing alcohol. We're going to set it in there. Okay, put a little bit of sealer right around here to help keep everything in that way. This unit will turn right here, go up against here, got it standing up. And remember, this plate lifts up. Put my screws in there. And then there's 4 screws down in there if you can see the holes coming through. Okay, so it's relatively simple what I'm doing. These are the 4 screws here that will go into these right here. That'll hold this rail on. Okay. And then these, if you remember, they came out of the freezer. Alright. And these 4, I'm going to clean them up in the wire wheel over there. Right here, this little wire wheel. And I'm going to use this to line up. Put all your screws in first. Sometimes you'll have a little bit of a problem, so I'll stick it in there and line it up. I did it in another video. I did it on a Dometic, but it was a North Cold. Basically, that's it. Told you it was a short video. So here we go. We're gonna move it around. Put you on pause real quick.